jump. Jump everybody jump. Jump everybody jump. Jump everybody jump.
They didn't eat.
They have food. You're sitting on your food. They're all sitting on their food. What about if we just get a bug? Come on now, let's... Do you get them? Can you see them? Why do you take a picture of their butt?
Wasn't really taking a picture of their butt.
What does the song do? What does the song do? Does the song bug do what? The song bug do? What does it do?
I don't know.
Kill them?
No.
What does it do?
Just a little fellow, little friend.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm on tennis. There you go.
Dump them.
Yeah, in the family.
Back up.
Oh no! They're getting away!
It's alright, let them go. Is they all out? No, let me see.
Why are they getting away?
They're gonna go wherever they want.
They're gonna go in the holes. Here. Give me that. Give me that.
Your serpentine will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. Woken up the demon, the enemy. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let everyone make. Get up.
Excuse me. Oh, I made a mistake. Errors like this must be handled smoothly. This is the mark of a professional.
We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom.
This is the ramp Daddy's gonna jump in a little while. Hopefully we'll get to see him do it very well. This is Daddy. He's gonna jump the ramp. You can barely see him. He went just by. This is Dominic and this is Damien. They're helping too.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, there's Daddy getting his helmet on. He's gonna start his bike. Listen. There's the jump again in Daddy's truck. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Hopefully we can see it very well. Woo-wee! And Daddy shoots the flag. That was a great stuff he just did there. Say hi, Damien. We're gonna see it one more time. We're gonna see it. What are you doing?
This is not white enough and for the white.
Well, let me see if I can help you. There's Dominic standing by the jump. And he's running back. There's the jump. Dominic, help Damien because I can't stop. Oh, there's Daddy. He's starting his bike. I guess something fell off the jump, but that's okay because we're going one more time. Or a couple. Here he goes. Up and away. Nice shot, Daddy. Dominic, that was your head. It didn't.
It did crack.
There's Daddy. He's doing a great job.
Thank you.
You're
Safety
welcome.
first. Always wear your lid.
Yep.
Okay, we got Mike getting ready to take his first attempt here at this ramp. His man-made. Yep.
Go, Daddy! Don't jump in right now. You don't have your stuff on.
All right. Got all the kids here.
Get him.
Say hi, kids.
Hi.
Hi there. Say hi. This is a pretty nutty jump. All right, here we go.
What we're dealing with here is a total lack of respect for the law.
All right, here we go. See what we got. Come on, Mike. All right. Pass number 3. I think he's got the feel for it. It might take 2. Here he goes. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. Look.
That's Daddy. Thank you. Okay, we're all done right now. There's the boys, they're walking. We had a great show. I guess that's it, but we'll see you later. Bye. And this is the one who's taking the camera. I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Oh, there's our bounce house. There's all the stuff that we have. Great. Bye.